Hi, this is report number 6, and I'm going to tell what I did for the last 2 weeks. And it was about the evaluation of the RAG workflow that we have. And actually in the previous videos that we talked about uh, creating the agents that can work with the RAG, with the company data, and in this week we just evaluated the performance of the model with the questions related to the company, and also we measured the latency of the model, so it will be good for the consumer. And we evaluating this because we need to know the latency in the performance of the model. So here is this thing. I just used a human eval so to understand how the model performs. It's used because sometimes the statistical one cannot be enough for the consumer, and the right one was just getting the feedback from the consumer, and that's how we evaluated our model. But with the frequently asked questions, our model performed more than 80% in accuracy. So now I'm going to show you the chatbot itself, but I cannot show you the factual data because of the NDA, and also I'm going to show you the latency of the model. That's it. Now I'm going to show you the model performance, how many time it takes to answer generation. As you can see here from the front end, I guess you already see that one in the previous videos. And let's ask the one question which is not related to the company data because it's NDA. But at least I'm going to show you that it won't answer for the irrelevant question related to the vector database. Let's see, and it will start the thinking process because we have the agent which can make reasoning. And here you can see it doesn't have enough information about the banana in the knowledge, and it should ask the questions related to other things rather than the color of banana. And here it just thought for about 8 seconds, which is really great. And that's it for what we did for that week. And we just made the human eval by getting the frequently asked questions from the consumer, and it will perform well, and more than 80% of accuracy was reached using the model. Thank you for the attention.